As we all know that our first chapter is complete and now we will discuss the question answer. Clear? Listen students, calculate how many years and months ahead from now Margie's diary entry is. So you have the date of diary entry of Margie. You can calculate it from 2020 and then tell me the years. Question 1. Answer these questions in a few words or a couple of sentences. Listen students, these are very short type of question answer. But before discussing these questions, I would like to tell you here that there are two separate workbooks of English. For English 1, word and expression, and for English 2, golden workbook. I hope you have purchased it already. So do these question answers in your workbook, golden workbook. Clear? There is also two parts in this workbook. First part, A section, in which the questions asked from questions and workbooks, book exercises from textbook are given, and in B part some extra question answers are given there. Clear? So A part you should have to do accordingly. How old are Margie and Tommy? In this question, the age of Margie and Tommy is asked. Margie is of 10-year-old and Margie is of 11-year-old and Tommy is of 13-year-old. What did Margie write in her diary? Clear? This answer is very clearly given in the first part, means page number, it is the first page number. What Margie wrote in her diary, comma, inverted comma. This sentence, write the direct narration. Today Tommy found a real book. Clear? And on the date 17th May 2157. So write this answer like this. What Margie wrote in her diary, comma, inverted comma. Today Tommy found a real book. On the date 17th May 2157. Clear? The third question is, had Margie ever seen a book before? Here you have to write, no, Margie had never seen a book before. What thing about the book did she find strange? Means what is unusual or strange for Margie in that book? Remember students, the words were not moving. This thing was the unusual or strange for Margie. Then we can write the answer like this. She found it strange that the book was on a printed paper and the words were not moving. The words were not moving, they were still. What do you think a telebook is? Telebook, you know, the books on computer screen. Then you can write the answer like this. A telebook is one which can be read on computer or TV screen. A telebook is which can be read on a computer or TV screen. Where was Margie's school? Did she have any classmates? Ladies student, you know Margie's school was right next to her bedroom. This answer can be here. You can write like this. Margie's school was next to her bedroom. She had, did is here, that's why you should have to write like this. She had no classmates. She had no classmates. The next and last one is, what subject did Margie and Tommy learn? Listen students, Margie and Tommy learned subject like history, geography, and math is also introduced. So means Margie and Tommy learned history, geography, maths and other subjects. Comes the second type of question answer. Answer the following with reference to the story. Listen students, you have already familiar with this such type of question answer. which comes in your exams also. Yeah, so they will also come in your 9th class exams. I wouldn't throw it away. Remember this sentence? It is said by Tommy. It is on page number 6 in second paragraph. Listen, our television screen must have 100 million books on it, and it's good for plenty more. I wouldn't throw it away. Throw it away means the e-books here. Clear? Listen, student. So, I wouldn't throw it away. Who says these words? Tommy says these words. What does it refer to? It refers to telebooks or e-books. What is being compared with by the speaker? The printed books. The printed book is being compared with the e-books. Second one is, sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher, it was a man. Listen, this is also said by Tommy while he was describing about the schools of the past and about the teacher. Who does they refer to? Here, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher, it was a man. It means they are future child. So, past student. Who does they refer to? They refer to the students of past. Yeah, past children. What does regular means here? Regular means mechanical teacher here. It wasn't a regular teacher. Means for Tommy and Margie, the regular teacher is mechanical teacher. So that's why regular teacher means here the mechanical teacher. What is it contrasted with? It is contrasted with the human teacher. The mechanical teacher is contrasted here with mechanical teacher. Clear? The human teacher is contrasted here with mechanical teacher.